My name is Dr. Mariam Aly, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Psychology at Columbia University. My talk at OHBM is about navigating a career in academia. I'll talk about what tenure track jobs are and how one might go about getting a tenure track job. I'll also provide you with some examples of non-tenure track jobs in academia and discuss what you should prioritize during your training. I'll then talk about some differences in the day-to-day lives of students and postdocs versus professors, what to do if your supervisor is not your ideal mentor, and how to think about sharing your political beliefs and attitudes in academia. And I'll wrap up by sharing some hardships that I faced along my path. I hope that you'll be able to watch my talk and attend the live Q&A sessions with me afterward, and I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you.